morning, dear children. Let us start part 2, chapter 6, The Junk Sailor, NCERT class 4. In this video, we will learn how to multiply and divide when there are zeros at the unit place or ones place at 10 place. Okay. So let us start with multiplication. So, for example, 40 multiply by 20. So what we supposed to do? Just multiply digit by digit. You can see at unit place 0, at unit place 0, forget these two zeros, just multiply these numbers. 4 to the 8. Okay, and we will take 1 and 2 zeros like this. Okay, so 40 into 20 is equal to 800. See another example, 30 into 40. For example, this is the number. So what I told you, you can see at unit place zeros are there, so we just multiply number. 4 3s are 12. Now 1 0 and 1 0, 2 zeros. Okay, now suppose we multiply 40 by 3 only. So 3 4 ja 12, and how many zeros? Only 1 0 this time. We will use 1 0 here. Okay, now suppose 55 multiply by 10. When we have to multiply 55 by 10, so here no 0, here 1 0. So forget this 1 0. Then what is this number? Only 1. We multiply by this by 1 only. So 55 1 ja 55. When we multiply by 1, number doesn't change. So when we have multiplied 55 by 1, now how many zeros? 1. So we use 1 0 at this place only. Okay. See another example. For example, 400 multiply by 200. You can see there are two zeros. 1 0 at unit place, 1 0 at tens place, and in this number also. So we forget 0 once. 4 2 ja 8. Now how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So we will use 4 zeros. Okay, 80,000. Suppose 350 multiply by 20. Okay, so you can see at unit place 0, unit place 0. If we forget this 0 for some time, so 35 multiply by 2. Here the number will be only 35, here will be 2. So we will multiply 35 by 2 only. 2 5s are 10, 0, 1, 2 3s are 6 and 1, 7. And how many zeros we forgot? 1 and 2. So we will take these two zeros here only. So 7,000. Okay. Similarly, if we are trying to multiply 15 by 20, so we will forget this 0. 15 multiply by 2, that is 30. 15 to the 30, and this 0 is here only. So whatever we 0 we will forget at once, we will use at the end. Here if we will forget the 0, only 4 is there. Forget the 0, only 2 is there. So we multiply 4 and 2. 4 2 is 8. Now 0 0, we use this. Okay. Similarly, 30 into 40. So we will forget these two zeros. 4 3s are 12. Now take these two zeros as it is. So 1200. Similarly, 40 into 3. We multiply number by number. 3 by 4. So 3 into 4. 12. How many zeros were there? 1 0. We use zeros like this. If we multiply 55 by 10, means here 1 only. If we forget this 0, 55 multiplied by 1 means only 55. Now we take this 0 at the end. Similarly, when we are multiplying 400 by 200, we take these 2 0 aside. Take these 2 0 aside. We multiply these digits. 4 into 2, 8. Now these 2 zeros here, these 2 zeros here. So total 4 zeros. Now 350 multiplied by 20. So we take this 0 out. Now 35 into 2, that is 35 into 2, 70, and these 2 zeros will be like this only. So 7,000. 15 multiplied by 20, so we will multiply just 2 by 15. 15 to the 30, and this 0 as it is. Okay, so whatever number will be there, if there will be 0, we will take this aside, and in the answer we will use that 0 itself. Okay, so in this way we can multiply some numbers easily. Now let us learn how to divide when zeros are at the end. So suppose 40 is to be divided by the 20, for example. You can see here is 0 at unit place, here is 0 at unit place. We can write this like 40 divided by 20. Okay? And we just cancel these zeros. Unit place 0, unit place 0. We will just leave like that. 4 divided by 2. Now 4 divided by 2. 2 to the 4 means, so we have divided this in a simple way, only like this. Now suppose if answer is 20 divided by 400, if we divide 400 by 20, then we can write like this: 400 divided by 20. 1 0 at here, 1 0 here, so we can cancel these 1 zeros. This is similar thing. 40 divided by 2. Now this is 0. Forget this 0 for some time. So it is 4 divided by 2, and for this 0 we can write multiply 10. Okay, 4 divided by 2 means 4 divided by 2, that is 2 into 10, that is 20. So we can leave this process. Here 40 divided by 2 means 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and we have left this 0 as it is, so we will use this 0 here only. Okay, now 250 divided by 10. 250 divided by 10. So you can see unit place 0, unit place 0. So what we can do, 250 divided by 10, and this 0 is cancelled by this 0. Now this is 25 divided by 1, and when we divide any number by 1, it doesn't make any difference. So this is 25. So no need to use some long methods. Okay, so we just leave the zeros at the end. In this way we can divide some numbers easily. Okay, suppose so this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not done till now. Thank you.